we write as tan inverse of 1. To understand what tan inverse of 1 means, let's break it down. The inverse tangent function, also known as arctangent, is the inverse operation of the tangent function. It asks the question, what angle theta, when input into the tangent function, gives us an output of 1? To visualize this, let's look at the unit circle. In a unit circle, the tangent of an angle is the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side. For tan of theta to equal 1, the opposite and adjacent sides must be equal. This occurs at an angle of 45 degrees, or pi over 4 radians. So we've found our solution. The inverse tangent of 1 is equal to pi over 4 radians, which is the same as 45 degrees. We can verify this by taking the tangent of pi over 4, which indeed equals 1. And that's how we solve the inverse tangent of 1. Remember, the inverse tangent function helps us find the angle when we know the tangent value. In this case, when the tangent is 1, the angle is 45 degrees, or pi over 4 radians.